So, in continuation of our bisyllabic stress, we take the second part of the lesson, which, like I said, is the word class. First, we talked about the position of the affix. Now, most bisyllabic English nouns, of course, the first in our list of word classes is nouns. Alright? So most bisyllabic English nouns are stressed on the first syllable. You see? Again, I didn't say nouns are stressed on the first syllable. Verbs are stressed on the second syllable. I do not consider that as correct. Alright? Some textbooks and some teachers will tell you that nouns are stressed on the first syllable, verbs are stressed on the second syllable. But look at the way I put it. Most bisyllabic English nouns are stressed on this first syllable. Yes, but not all. Examples. Mother. Let's go. You see? Let me first look at this problem. In recent times, I find people say Facebook. When this platform was launched years ago, it was called Facebook. And it remains Facebook, except in this part of the world where I have been hearing people say Facebook. It is not Facebook. It is Facebook. Facebook. The stress is on the first syllable, not on the second. It is not. So let's write it the proper way. This is what I mean. Facebook. It is not textbook. Among secondary school students today, I hear people say textbook. Give me your textbook. It is not textbook. The word is textbook. Textbook. We've done a whole lot to bring this low. This is madam. We were popularly using madam. And all English teachers began to say it is madam. It is salad, not salad, not madam. But it appears as we were battling to correct this one, other errors sprang up. Facebook is correct, not Facebook. Textbook is correct, not textbook. You know, I found, today I hear a lot of young people say iPhone. It is not iPhone. iPhone. Now, I hear people say JS1. Where we get these accents, I do not actually know, because they beat my analysis as the language scholar. Because the JS1, JS2 thing is neither Igbo, neither Yoruba, nor any accent of the Nigerian descent. So where do we get this from? Could it be pidgin? Maybe. Maybe. So it is JS. If you like to complete the circle, it is JSS1, not JS. This is J, this is S. JS1, SS1, SS3, not SS3. These are the issues with stress. So here we are. Mother, father, sister, doctor, mentor, factor. I hope you're pronouncing with me. Culture, voucher, nature, madam, salad, color, parlor, neighbor, gambler, Esther, Thomas, Beatrice, English, August, July. Now, let's look at this. Capital A, U-G-U-S-T, is the 8th month of the year. Small letter A, U-G-U-S-T, is an adjective that means important. This one is stressed on the first syllable, as you can see. But this one is stressed on the second. That is, the adjective is stressed on the second syllable. August visitor. August visitor. Please, I can't come because I have an August visitor in my house. I have an August visitor. No need adding in the house because your visitor should be in your house. I can't come, please. I have an August visitor. Not August visitor. As if the visitor comes in August. No. August, the 8th month of the year, stressed on the first syllable. August, an adjective that means important, stressed on the second syllable. If you go for an exam, you will know by the virtue of the fact that the month will always be in capital. The capital letter A will be used to start August, the month. Small letter A will be used to start August, the adjective. Okay, let's go to the exceptions. You may have noticed me pronounce Beatrice, not like some of you would want us to pronounce Beatrice. The word is Beatrice. Okay, let's go to the exceptions. By exceptions, we mean nouns of 2 syllables that are actually stressed on the second syllable. Remember, when we worked on the position of the affix, we looked at some of these words. So, let's go. So, police, machine, cement, canoe, advise, canoe, cement, machine, police. Now, these are nouns. That was what I told you earlier, that I use most. I don't say nouns are stressed on the first syllable, verbs are stressed on the second. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples of nouns that are of 2 syllables but are stressed on the second syllable. And there are more of such nouns. Let's go to the verbs. Most bisyllabic English verbs are stressed on the second syllable. I agree. More bisyllabic verbs are stressed on the second syllable than the first. So I have an array of examples here. So refer, defer, retain, detain, insist, resist, command, demand, conclude, include, derail, depend, recharge. Alright? All on second. Exceptions, that is verbs of 2 syllables with a stress on the first syllable. Manage is a typical example. Tarnish, enter, purchase. Alright? I purchased a pack of biscuits. I purchased a pack of biscuits. Hire purchase. Hire purchase. Most people call it hire purchase. It is hire purchase. Let me write. High. High. Not high. High purchase. Okay. We'll look at adjectives and adverbs quickly. So, for the adjectives, Most bisyllabic English adjectives are stressed on the first syllable, just like the nouns. So you have examples such as happy, happy, lucky, precious, precious, gracious, patient, ancient, double, worry, wicked, naked, gorgeous, jealous. An exception is intact as an adjective, but has a stress on the second syllable. For the pronouns, the self pronouns are usually stressed on self, right? My, self, your, self, him, self, them, selves. So the self pronouns are stressed on self, but other pronouns such as many are stressed on the first syllable. Several. These are stressed on the first syllable. For the adverbs, most bisyllabic English adverbs are stressed on the first syllable. So we have early, nearly, quietly, jointly, deadly, all adverbs of two syllables. Weekly is another example. Monthly is another example. Right? Exceptions are today, before. Those are also adverbs of two syllables, but they are stressed on the second syllable. Note that after is also an adverb of two syllables. It is stressed on the first syllable. After. But in afternoon, the stress will shift to noon. Last but not least, we'll look at the prepositions. Of course, most bisyllabic prepositions have the stress on the second syllable, Most bisyllabic English prepositions have the stress on the second syllable. So beside, behind, between, without, within, all on the second syllable. We have one exception, under is stressed on the first syllable. Now, it's been a long video. I hope you cultivate the patience to follow, as the lesson is what the why. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to our blog so that you will be getting every video as we shoot it, and you will be there for us as we are here for you. Thank you so much.